So today we're just going to talk about three great books for Power BI DAX. And the first one here is on this tweet from today from Power Pivot Pro. This is the book here. It's a very popular book. You can see here on Book Depository when you search Power BI, this is the most popular books here. So that's by Rob Colley and Avi Singh, and it's a really written in a lovely fun style, and it's very easy to learn from this book. Then the second book I have is from Matt Allington from Accelerator BI, and this is his book here, Supercharge. He has one version for Power Pivot and another version for Power BI, and I find this book very practical, and Matt gets you to work straight away, so you have to do the exercises. So that's really good in that book. My third book then is the definitive guide here from Marco and Alberto, the definitive guide to DAX. So this is a very high level book from start to end. I really like chapter 10 here, which talks about the advanced evaluation context, and there's information there on the expanded table theory, which is really excellent. And there's a new version of this book coming soon. And if you get the Kindle edition also, it's great at the end of that Kindle edition, there's loads of code snippets from the book, kind of all together. So that's another recommendation for this book. So three great DAX books.